Hello everyone, my name is Manisha Verma and I'll be presenting our paper Yoga 82, a new dataset for fine-grained classification of human poses. Human pose classification is an important problem in computer vision. Fine-grained classification problem can be considered as classification of specific category in different subcategories. For example, dog image classification in different dog breeds. Fine-grained datasets in human pose can be of dance, sports, pedestrian, exercise, yoga, etc. These are few human pose datasets which are both diverse and fine-grained categories. Existing datasets are not challenging enough in terms of pose complexity, object occlusion, and different viewpoints. Yoga activity provides very complex and diverse class of poses, and there is no dataset available for large number of yoga pose classes. This is an example of some very complex yoga poses. In this work, we have proposed a new dataset for fine-grained pose classification. We choose yoga activity as it contains a wide variety of finely varying complex body postures. We introduce rich hierarchical structures in labeling in order to provide more information and reduce the complexity of poses. We provide baseline evaluation on well-known architectures and propose a modified DenseNet to utilize hierarchical labels. This is structure of hierarchical labels in the dataset. It is divided in three levels. First level is related to large body positions. There are 6 very basic classes in first level, that is standing, sitting, balancing, inverted, reclining, and wheel. Second level class is based on variations in body parts. For example, in standing, whether the subject is standing straight in forward bend position, side bend position, or in some other position. Similarly, in other sitting, balancing, inverted uh, poses. And final, the third level, that is leaf level, is actual pose name. The dataset is complex in terms of yoga poses. Many third level categories have very similar poses. For example, first row shows inverted poses which are different only in arm position, whether the inverted body is balanced on forearms, palms, head, etc. Similar variations are there in plank poses in different arm positions, and similar variations can be found in different classes in the data. These are the results of well-known CNN architectures. We have computed results of ResNet, DenseNet, MobileNet, ResNet. Deeper version of a particular architecture is able to perform better. As appeared here, DenseNet is able to produce best results among others. Hence, we have utilized DenseNet to further modify the obtained hierarchical network. We have utilized DenseNet 201. This is a DenseNet 201 hierarchical architecture. We have added classification layers in between the network in 3 different architectures. In all 3 modifications, level 3 class is classified at the end of the network. In variant 1, level 1 and level 2 is classified after dense block 2 and 3. In variant 2, level 1 and 2 both are classified after dense block 3. In variant 3, a new dense block is added after dense block 2 and level 1 class is classified there, and level 2 and level 3 classified as variant 2. Table 3 illustrates results of hierarchical DenseNet architecture. Here L1, L2, and L3 represents level 1, that is 6 classes, level 2 20 classes, and level 3 final yoga poses, that is 82 classes. Different number of parameters in variant 3 is because of extra dense block. Purpose of experimenting with 3 architectures is to classify not only final yoga pose class but all 3 classes with high accuracy. More details can be found about the architectures in the paper. Clearly, the hierarchical modification of network is able to increase the accuracy from a margin of 4% as compared to baseline DenseNet 201. And these are some activation maps learned using variant 2. As it appears, the network is able to locate and recognize the pose. These are some references. Thank you. If you have any queries, you can put it on chat, and the data set is available online on this website. Thank you.